Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soft Buko ice candy. First, you'll need to prepare your fresh young coconut. Grate the meat and set aside the juice. Next, combine the grated coconut meat, coconut juice, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 cup of all-purpose cream in a large bowl. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled before you start mixing. This helps achieve that perfect creamy texture we're aiming for. Now, it's time to blend everything together. Pour your mixture into a blender and process until it's completely smooth, ensuring there are no coconut meat chunks left. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness if needed. You might want to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. A small pinch of salt can also really bring out the rich coconut flavor, so don't skip that step. Once your mixture is perfectly blended and seasoned, it's time to prepare for freezing. Carefully pour the liquid into individual ice candy bags, making sure to leave about 1 inch of space at the top for expansion. Tie each bag securely to prevent any leaks or freezer burn. Place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are firm but still have that delightful soft texture. Your delicious, soft Buko ice candy is now ready to enjoy. Simply grab one from the freezer whenever you need a refreshing treat. For any leftovers, make sure to store them in an airtight container to maintain their freshness and prevent ice crystals from forming. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.